babes, jumping right into the video. Today I'm just going to be unboxing this wig I got from Amazon Prime. It's from this company called Isee hair. I've never gotten a wig from Amazon Prime, so I'm like pleasantly surprised by like how fast this shipped. So as you guys can see, they sent me some lashes too. I've actually been wearing them lashes, y'all. I wear them like 3 times, no joke. Yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys like the texture of the hair, the length of the hair. I did about 2 or 3 styles with this hair, y'all. Like, I'm still gonna be wearing this wig. I spent $90 something on it, and I'm gonna get my $90 worth, okay? The flow of this hair is just giving me so much life. Like, I just was like, let me put this in slow-mo, baby, because this is shine, honey. I did pluck this hairline just a little bit. Towards the end of the video, you'll see my videos of me in the wig. I was stunting in my fucking wig, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna be wearing my wig. So yeah. Y'all, subscribe for more. I'll definitely be posting in the future. Yeah, it's Rachel Simone, babes. Bye.